In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about using a handsaw for small wood cutting jobs when power tools just aren't an option or don't make sense. So, first off, always make sure your handsaw is sharp and clean because a dull blade will just make your work harder and mess up the cuts. Before you even start cutting, mark your wood clearly with a pencil or chalk so you can follow the line easily. Hold the saw handle firmly, but don't squeeze too hard. You want control without tiring your hand out too fast. Start your cut with slow, steady strokes to create a groove, then you can speed up a bit once it's guided. Keep the saw at about a 45-degree angle for cross cuts, and a lower angle for rip cuts, which is cutting along the grain. Use your whole arm to saw, not just your wrist, to keep the motion smooth and efficient. Don't rush. Patience will get you cleaner cuts and less frustration. And remember, always wear safety glasses because wood chips can fly faster than you expect. One of the biggest problems people run into with hand saws is pushing too hard, which just wears you out and can make the blade bind or bend. The fix is to let the saw do the work with long, even strokes. Another common mistake is not supporting the wood properly, so it moves while you're cutting. That's a recipe for uneven or unsafe cuts. Just clamp or brace your wood down before you start. Lastly, folks often forget to check the blade's sharpness before starting. A dull blade is dangerous and inefficient. If you notice the saw dragging or cutting poorly, it's time to sharpen or swap out the blade. If you're looking for pros to help with bigger projects or tricky jobs, bighomeprojects.com is where I always send folks. They hook homeowners up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, and for contractors, it's a solid way to find real work without all the hassle. It's like having a direct line between people who need projects done and those who can crush them. This script has been crafted so you get all the practical tips and common pitfalls about hand sawing small wood projects without needing fancy tools, plus a heads up on where to find reliable help when your project gets too big for just a saw and elbow grease.